Tired of the chaos and ready to bring order to your projects? Let's get you set up with Trello in under 90 seconds. First, head over to Trello.com. You'll see a prominent sign up, it's free button. Go ahead and click that. You have several options to sign up. You can enter your email address directly, or for a quicker process, use your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Choose whichever you prefer. For this example, we'll use email. Enter your email address, then create your full name. After that, create a strong password, something you'll remember but others won't guess. Review Trello's terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to consent. Now, click the Create Account button. Trello will likely send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox, find the message from Trello, and click the verification link inside. The email will contain a verification button or a link. Click on it to confirm your email address. Congratulations, your account is verified, and you're now inside Trello. Trello may prompt you to create your first board or give you some initial setup options. Feel free to explore these or jump right in and start creating your own boards and lists. Welcome to organized productivity with Trello.